Ginger is a flowering plant that originated in Southeast Asia. It's among the healthiest and most delicious spices on the planet. The rhizome, which is the underground part of the stem, is the part commonly used as a spice. It's often called ginger root or, simply, ginger. Ginger can be used fresh, dried, powdered, or as an oil or juice. It's a very common ingredient in recipes. It's sometimes added to processed foods and cosmetics. Here are 11 health benefits of ginger that are supported by scientific research. 1. Ginger contains gingerol, which has powerful medicinal properties. Ginger has a very long history of use in various forms of traditional and alternative medicine. It's been used to aid digestion, reduce nausea, and help fight the flu and common cold, to name a few of its purposes. The unique fragrance and flavor of ginger come from its natural oils, the most important of which is gingerol. Ginger is high in gingerol, a substance with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. 2. Ginger can treat many forms of nausea, especially morning sickness. Ginger appears to be highly effective against nausea. It may help relieve nausea and vomiting for people undergoing certain types of surgery. Ginger may also help chemotherapy-related nausea, but larger human studies are needed. It's recommended that pregnant women who are close to labor or who've had miscarriages avoid ginger. Just 1.5 grams of ginger can help prevent various types of nausea, including chemotherapy-related nausea, nausea after surgery, and morning sickness. 3. Ginger may help with weight loss. Ginger may play a role in weight loss, according to studies conducted in humans and animals. Ginger supplementation significantly reduces body weight, the waist-hip ratio, and the hip ratio in people with overweight or obesity. Ginger's ability to influence weight loss may be related to certain mechanisms, such as its potential to help increase the number of calories burned or reduce inflammation. According to studies, ginger may help improve weight-related measurements. These include body weight and the waist-hip ratio. 4. Ginger can help with osteoarthritis. Osteoarthritis is a common health problem. It involves degeneration of the joints in the body, leading to symptoms such as joint pain and stiffness. One literature review found that people who used ginger to treat their osteoarthritis saw significant reductions in pain and disability. A combination of topical ginger, mastic, cinnamon, and sesame oil can help reduce pain and stiffness in people with osteoarthritis of the knee. 5. Ginger may drastically lower blood sugars and improve heart disease risk factors. This area of research is relatively new, but ginger may have powerful anti-diabetic properties. People with type 2 diabetes can use 2 grams of ginger powder per day to lower fasting blood sugar by 12%. It also dramatically improves hemoglobin, a marker for long-term blood sugar levels. It reduces by about 10% over a period of 12 weeks. 6. Ginger can help treat chronic indigestion. Chronic indigestion is characterized by recurrent pain and discomfort in the upper part of the stomach. It's believed that delayed emptying of the stomach is a major driver of indigestion. Interestingly, ginger has been shown to speed up emptying of the stomach. Ginger appears to speed up emptying of the stomach, which can be beneficial for people with indigestion and related stomach discomfort. 7. Ginger may significantly reduce menstrual pain. Dysmenorrhea refers to pain felt during the menstrual cycle. One of the traditional uses of ginger is for pain relief, including menstrual pain. Ginger appears to be very effective against menstrual pain when taken at the beginning of the menstrual period. 8. May help lower cholesterol levels. High levels of cholesterol are linked to an increased risk of heart disease. The foods you eat can have a strong influence on cholesterol levels. 5 grams of ginger pasted powder each day can draw cholesterol levels by 17.4% over a 3-month period. While the drop in cholesterol is impressive, it's important to consider you use very high doses of ginger. There's some evidence, in both humans and animals, that ginger can lead to significant reductions in cholesterol, total cholesterol, and blood triglyceride levels. 9. Ginger contains a substance that may help prevent cancer. Ginger has been studied as an alternative remedy for several forms of cancer. The anti-cancer properties are attributed to gingerol, which is found in large amounts in raw ginger. A form known as 6-gingerol is viewed as especially powerful. There's some evidence that ginger may be effective against other gastrointestinal cancers such as pancreatic cancer and liver cancer. It may be effective against breast cancer and ovarian cancer as well. Ginger contains the substance gingerol, which appears to have protective effects against cancer. However, more studies are needed. 10. Ginger may improve brain function and protect against Alzheimer's disease. Oxidative stress and chronic inflammation can accelerate the aging process. They're believed to be among the key drivers of Alzheimer's disease and age-related cognitive decline. Animal studies suggest that ginger can protect against age-related damage to the brain. It can also help improve brain function in middle-aged women. 11. Ginger can help fight infections. Gingerol can help lower the risk of infections. In fact, ginger extract can inhibit the growth of many different types of bacteria. It's very effective against the oral bacteria linked to gingivitis and periodontitis. These are both inflammatory gum diseases. Fresh ginger may also be effective against the respiratory syncytial virus, a common cause of respiratory infections. Ginger may fight harmful bacteria and viruses, which could reduce your risk for infections. The bottom line: ginger is loaded with nutrients and bioactive compounds that have powerful benefits for your body and brain. It's one of the very few superfoods actually worthy of that term. For the best natural remedies, watch our best recommendation from the link in description below this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button. And please subscribe and turn on the notification button so that you do not miss on our next health videos.